Install stainless rails with S-hooks and integrated storage around the island and sink to keep towels, utensils, and pots within arm reach and drying. Choose corrosion-resistant stainless steel rails at least 3/4 of an inch thick to avoid bending under load, and mount them into studs or solid blocking using stainless steel screws and expansion anchors if studs are not available. Space rails between 1 and 2 inches from the cabinet face so S-hooks and clipped caddies hang freely without scraping. Measure and mark a level line at eye height plus the thickness of the rail before drilling. For hanging knives, use a magnetic knife rail mounted at least 4 inches above food prep surfaces and align so blades face away from traffic. For families with small children, place it higher or use a knife sheath integrated with the rail. Select towel bars with a quick release clip or swivel so towels can be removed and laundered without detaching the whole bar, and ensure one bar is dedicated to drying and one to wiping with color-coded or textured towels to prevent cross-contamination. Use utensil caddies that clip or clamp to the rail rather than sitting on the countertop to free workspace, and choose perforated designs so water drains away. Tilt the caddy slightly forward when installing, so excess water runs out instead of pooling. Plan for load by grouping heavier items like pots closer to support posts and lighter items like spatulas near endpoints, and test each rail after installation by hanging twice the expected load for safety. People commonly mount rails only into cabinet faces and not into blocking, which leads to sagging. Always install plywood blocking between studs or mount into studs to distribute weight and prevent loosening. Another frequent issue is placing rails too close to walls or appliances so hooks bump or items scald. Resolve this by spacing the rail outward 1 to 2 inches and routing hooks so handles face inward and clear nearby heat sources. A third mistake is using non-corrosion resistant materials that stain or rust from constant moisture. Fix that by choosing marine-grade stainless or powder-coated steel and drying caddies regularly and swapping towels every day. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like island rail storage setups so we can find people who have done similar installs and share photos and measurements. We have a discussion community where we trade tips on mounting, product brands, and layout ideas so our members learn from real installs and contractors find steady work.